apply properly, they will be a fantastic, successful entrepreneur. You need to apply humility. You cannot show that I, the ego. The emotional intelligent leader, the egoism need to throw away from life. The humility is the top characteristics of emotional intelligent leadership. So emotional intelligent leadership, it is not a rocket science. It is not something difficult. It is very easy. And the character, that how quickly you can give up the egoistic attitude. I, instead of I, must say we. The leaders who often say we, they are the perfect example of emotional intelligence. The emotional intelligent leaders, they will say, we did it, we have done it, our team have done it. The leader will never say, I did it. So my friends, and emotional intelligent leaders, they are the one, they know that materialistic happiness in this world, it does not go with us. But the happiness which we motivate others to be happy, we motivate others to be successful. The emotional intelligent leader, they will never think about themselves. They will think about people who is surrounding them. And for these leaders, their bank balance is not how much money they have in the bank. Their assets, not that what kind of big house or what kind of car they are driving. Their assets, their wealth is their people, whether they have succeeded in their life or not. These leaders, emotional intelligent leader, they want to see their followers is sustainable. That these leaders, they always think in their absence, their followers will not face any kind of challenges. These leaders, emotional intelligent leaders, they always think that when I die, the assets, their bank balances is the blessings and happiness of their employees, their team members is their assets. And that's the one which I will carry. So in other words, what United Nations 2030 agenda called Sustainable Development Goal. They have created 17 Sustainable Development Goals. And these Sustainable Development Goals, the emotional, intelligent leaders, for them, that their team should sustain. Now, Lincoln University College has been evaluated under these sustainable development goals. And one of the goals is called quality education. And we have ranked under this quality education is 80, under Times Higher Education. We have bypassed 98 Australia and so forth. So we go to 80, you will see that Lincoln University College. Now, these are classic example how our faculty members, how our students are classic example of effect of emotional intelligence leadership. So, my friends, emotional intelligent leaders, they would always think how we can create an impact to the society. And therefore, we all know that we shall live in this world for a few years. And once you grow, we should leave a mark in this society. So with this, I thank you all to join with me. Understand that emotional intelligence leadership is just not a money-wise profit. The emotional intelligence leadership is a character of a leader, how he or she create an influence, and that influence will make our society a sustainable development growth, not only in terms of physical infrastructure, but also emotional infrastructure, whereby we will not see any more conflict in the human society. We will see peace, peace, peace. So let us pray to Almighty that we each and every human being inculcate, create a perfect, emotional, intelligent leader, whereby the entire humanity, entire human society live in a peaceful, harmonious manner so that we do not have any conflict. Thank you, and may God bless all of us with our choices prayers. Thank you, and God bless.
Hello. So now, do we have any questions? Students, do you have any questions? Anyone? All right. So this brings us to the conclusion of the session. So it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver with thanks for this reaching session. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Amiya Bhaumik sir for sparing his time and providing us with such an enriched insights into the emotional intelligence. Thank you, sir. On behalf of the Dean School of Business, all the faculty members, and on behalf of the international sales people, hello.
Go on, madam. Madam, you are mute. Yes.
Hello.